The experience we had in Faith was very nice, and more than theory, hands-on so that benefited for everyone, I guess.
It was a good experience here. So hands-on working experience, like doing things practically with sir, made us understand things much better.
The effort both the teachers, Sahadan sir as well as Vinu sir, put in correcting the errors. It was really nice. So that was one thing I would say that they haven't already mentioned. And as they told, the hands-on session was also nice. So thank you.
Now I know how to create an app at some extent. It was a good experience from here.
We had a good hands-on experience, and I would like to thank our teachers, sir and Binu sir. Working as a team, like solving errors and everything, I really enjoyed the experience. Thank you.
And the Faith Infotech I provide a lot of hands-on section so that I can identify what are the possible errors that I can create and how to rectify it.
The thing that I liked here the most is the obviously the hands-on sessions, because topics covered here I could get better hands-on sessions. I also encountered many issues and errors, and Sahadan sir and Binu sir definitely helped me in rectifying those.
Doing tasks and assignments was actually it benefited us a lot and kept the momentum, and always be thinking about turning to web development and studying all that, but procrastination has been an issue. So coming here and learning was a good decision.
Before coming here, I had like a very few knowledge about Java. I haven't heard about Spring Boot. I didn't know anything about Angular. So after completing 1.5 months here, I have gained a lot of knowledge, and I can say that I can do a web app on my own. Then all credits to both the teachers, Sahadan sir and Vignu sir.
Actually, I had some knowledge in Spring Boot and all, but it was actually not that great. So, as it is always said that little knowledge is dangerous, here it was one opportunity for me to learn more about Spring Boot and all. And thanks a lot to Sahadan sir and Binu sir for teaching and helping in every instances.
While coming, I didn't know anything about what is going to teach here about Angular and Spring Boot and all. And at this situation, I can proudly say that I have the ability to do something in Angular as well as Spring Boot and all in a full stack development. Especially thanks our trainers Sahadan sir and Binu sir for giving me to do such these things. And I'm thanking NISSAN for selecting such a wonderful institution for training us.
From this training program, I have learned more about Spring Boot, Angular, and I am able to develop a full-fledged web application. Very special thanks to Sahadan sir and Binu sir for helping us and solving our errors, and thank you so much.
I have also had a good experience from Faith Infotech. I learned a lot. Binu sir and Sahadan sir guided us, got a hands-on experience, and I have familiarized with GitHub. Thanks.
Past 36 days have probably been the most productive month I have had in probably years, maybe even after starting my BTech. Cramming such a vast syllabus in 36 days and making us understand is such a big task. So when Sahadan sir and Binu sir did it pretty good, I'd say. We were all able to gain some knowledge. Thank you, sir.
Like they said, I too had just basic knowledge in Java and SQL when I came here. I'm fairly confident that I can develop a full stack application, and all credit goes to Faith for that. And I would also like to extend my gratitude to Sahadan sir and Binu sir for their guidance and helping us clear the errors and everything. So thank you so much for that. Thank you.
I still remember the day one, they were given a task called patient management to develop a patient management system. But at that time, I was not able to do all these things. But now I can firmly believe that I can do an asset management system. I can too develop a web. And I sincerely thank Sahadan sir and Binu sir for guiding us.
A lot of things are going to change for you. What you need to have is your set of principles. Whatever happens, stay firm in the set of principles that you've been brought up in. That is very important, because that is what is going to set you apart. You're going into an organization where you have the best of the best working, right? You might have been the best in school, you might have been the best in college, which is why you are here. But you got to understand you're going into an environment where everybody is in the same category. So the only thing that is going to set you apart is how you behave and the principles that you hold fast. So I wish you all the very best. Like NISSAN is just the starting point, and you're so lucky that you're starting from such a high point. You're all adults from tomorrow onwards. Every action of yours has a consequence, and you will be called up on those consequences. Remember that, right? My only prayer for you is that you will not lose the essence that you are. A bright young people to grow into, become even brighter, wiser adults.